Toyota's integrated dashcam system represents a breakthrough in automotive technology, seamlessly connecting with your vehicle's existing safety and multimedia systems. The Toyota Connect app provides complete control over your dashcam system, allowing you to view recordings, adjust settings, and manage your device directly from your smartphone. The dashcam integrates seamlessly with your Toyota's interior, mounting near the rearview mirror and connecting directly to your vehicle's power management and multimedia systems. Recent Toyota models feature enhanced night vision capabilities with HDR technology, dramatically improving recording quality in low light conditions compared to standard systems. Available across 85% of Toyota's vehicle lineup as of 2024, these OEM systems offer superior reliability and seamless integration compared to aftermarket alternatives, with cloud storage and automatic emergency recording capabilities. Toyota's integrated dashcam installation involves several key components that work together seamlessly with your vehicle's existing systems. The installation process varies depending on whether you choose professional installation or do it yourself. Professional installation is recommended for hardwired connections and safety system integration. Toyota's integrated dashcam system offers several advanced features that set it apart from aftermarket solutions. One of the most compelling benefits is insurance savings. Many insurance companies now offer discounts up to 15% for vehicles equipped with Toyota's integrated dashcam systems. Toyota is continuously advancing dashcam technology with artificial intelligence-powered event detection and 5G connectivity for real-time video streaming and emergency response capabilities.